We have here a RGB LED lamp. Let's unbox it. And we have the lamp, USB cable, a very simple manual. It's a very simple device. Quality looks good. It's heavy, so it feels safe. It feels strong. To turn it on, you press the on button for 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3. It comes with 3 levels of brightness. Just tap on 1, 2, 3. Off. You want to change color? Tap on it for 3 seconds. You have it. It has 6 colors. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. The last one has a color changing mode. When you use a speaker, we just press the mode button. You can use your mobile through Bluetooth and play.
帅兵我拉大褂，在那一座人笑巴西，给了我把的发扎扎的大钱，当的 rapping 就是 rap star，让人喘不气，给我发个挂力，我的距离差了8个波及，把时光一照，将登上顶点，风格拉是狂帅的剑是帅，拿